Colas USA is a decentralized, vertically integrated materials and road construction company. And here at Simon, we have implemented this very strategy by acquiring a couple of companies that fell right in line with this. Those companies have given us a lot of integration because we now have aggregates with a lot of reserves, an asphalt terminal, an emulsion plant, ready-mix plants, hot mix plants, and construction activities.
We knew something needed to be done with Simon. We either had to grow or we had to go.
Making acquisition, it's always a different story. We had the Willits story. It's a 20-year operation. Bob Willits created the company from the ground up, and now he's ready to dispose, but it's a lot of emotion involved. It's selling a baby to somebody else.
We hadn't come to the decision to sell our company. We were actually approached by Rick Simpson and Buddy if we would be interested in selling. You know, I think like any negotiations, they lasted a lot longer than what both of us thought they would.
It was a process of getting to know Bob, gaining Bob's trust in myself and the company.
When I knew how they were going to treat our employees and our assets and make it a good opportunity for our employees, it was quite easy for me to decide on Colas.
He has 25 people, 25 loyal employees to Willits. He needed a certain degree of confidence that we would take care of those people.
We sold on the 17th of June. They were very well prepared, very well organized. It was a very smooth process and very smooth for our employees.
So far, we haven't seen a lot of major changes or anything. It's mostly been a little better resources for different opportunities.
Each company is different, and it doesn't matter whether you're acquiring an old castle or whether you're acquiring a Willits aggregates. How they are culturally, how they are from a safety perspective, how they account for things, how they operate their business.
Probably the biggest challenge that we had during the integration was with our scale point-of-sale software. It was a significant swap of systems, as well as a very significant retraining effort that was required to get folks. Support within Simon was in my mind phenomenal.
The acquisition was on a Friday, and by Monday we were selling rock and ready mix with new product numbers and things like that.
We address, as a team, all those issues that need to be addressed as we integrate a company from day one.
Since Simon has come in, the safety program's even improved. We're working every day making things, trying to make things a little better for safety. I didn't see any change in staff. We're same family that's always been here, a few new faces, but other than that, it was pretty smooth and things have went well.
We have a 401, which we didn't have before, and we have insurance. So I made all the crew happy and myself, so it's been a good change.
We're still the same, good, reputable company that we was before Simon took over on us, and I think we'll continue to improve.
It's 250 people that we took on with that acquisition, so it's no small task to get them on board with a different process and just a different way of doing business.
I have mixed feelings. You kind of lose your baby. I loved what I did and proud of what we accomplished as a company and the reputation that we gained from our operations.
This is the type of acquisitions that we want to carry on completing in the future. There is a critical size that we need to reach in each of our subsidiaries. I would say it's around $200 million worth of revenue. So that was pretty much general strategy for Colas US that was implemented here at Simon. Very successfully, I have to say.